Ninja Foodi Air Fry Oven Dehydrate mode not working? Check these 3 things. If your oven won't dry fruit, jerky, or herbs evenly, or it feels more like warming than dehydrating, here are 3 quick checks that can get it working right again. Step 1. Use the air fry basket in the top rails. Dehydrate mode relies on airflow, and that only works if the food is sitting in the air fry basket up in the top rails. If you put it on the oven tray or rack instead, the air can't circulate underneath. You'll get uneven drying and possible moisture pockets. Step 2. Set the right temperature and time. Dehydrate runs cooler than cooking modes, between 104 degrees Fahrenheit and 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Fruits and herbs do best near the lower end, meats closer to the top. If you're not sure, start higher. You can always cut the time down, but too low a setting will just leave food soft. Step 3. Keep pieces small and even thick, or uneven cuts slow the process. Slice produce and meats to a consistent thickness, and leave small gaps between pieces so the hot air can move. If you're doing jerky or fruit leather, rotate the basket halfway through for even drying. I've linked a mandolin slicer I use below. It keeps cuts uniform so nothing finishes early or stays soggy. If the mode still isn't drying properly after these checks, there may be a heating or fan issue. In that case, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped you get your dehydrator mode working as it should, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need an easy way to slice everything evenly before dehydrating, I've linked the mandolin I use below. It's perfect for fruit, veg, and jerky prep. Thanks for watching, and keep it thin to keep it crisp.